Namaskar. Welcome you all to Makhanlal Chaturvedi, National University of Journalism and Communication, Bhopal. Myself, Sasikala, Head New Media Technology Department and also Dean Academics of the University. If you are interested in digital content production, multimedia, graphics animation, print packaging sector, then this is the right place to step in for learning. We, the University of Journalism and Communication, we are the NAC accredited government institution ranked among top 10 media institutions in the country for providing good academic quality with low fees. We are one of the first institutions in the country to provide new media technology programs. The Department of New Media Technology offers a 3-year B.Sc Graphics Animation, 4-year B.Sc Multimedia Honours, a 4-year B.Tech Printing Packaging with an additional entry to the 2nd year B.Tech Printing Packaging, a 2-year M.Sc New Media program and also a 1-year M.Sc Multimedia program for all those who have done a 4-year Honours undergraduate program in a relevant discipline. 16th June 2025 is the last date to file online application for the first phase of the admissions. So, if you are interested in applying for any of these courses mentioned, please do visit our website mcu.ac.in. Wishing you all a happy learning. Thank you.